Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax at Panama City Beach. Today I'm standing next to my newest brokerage listing. This is a 2018 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk, and this happens to be Boston Whaler's 60th anniversary boat. So step back here and let me hop aboard, and I'm going to show you a few key features inside this boat. Hey guys, now that we're in the bow of the Boston Whaler 15 Montauk, I do want to show you a few things up front. I'm going to step towards the back here. You notice the optional trolling motor mount. So if you do want to add a trolling motor in the future, it's pre-rigged and ready. Coming towards the front here, you have your windshield, your 4 rod holders, and a cooler acts as a seat as well. Coming towards midship of the boat, you see here your Raymarine Dragonfly 5, which works great as a chart plotter and or a sonar. And you notice here I'm 6'5", and I have plenty of room up under the shade here to keep me dry and protected all day from the sun. Towards the back here, I have the seat leaned back into the trolling position. So if you have your rods out the back, you can look back at the same time you drive. And your 12-gallon fuel tank here, as well as your live well back here, which acts as a second cooler if you need it. Coming off the transom, notice your swim bladder there and your Mercury 60 horsepower motor. Like I said again, my name is Ben Finley, MarineMax, Panama City Beach. Come see your new 15 Montauk today.